LiiKaa Kids.
Let's learn about the different kinds of vegetables.
Are you ready?
Let's go.
Carrot. Carrot.
Broccoli. Broccoli.
Tomato. Tomato.
Cauliflower. Cauliflower.
Bell pepper. Bell pepper.
Onion. Onion.
Garlic. Garlic. Cucumber. Cucumber.
Zucchini. Zucchini.
Mushrooms. Mushrooms.
Eggplant. Eggplant.
Lettuce. Lettuce.
Asparagus. Asparagus.
Green beans. Green beans.
Potato. Potato.
Sweet potato. Sweet potato.
Radish. Radish.
Beetroot. Beetroot.
Celery. Celery. Artichoke. Artichoke.
Leek. Leek.
Cabbage. Cabbage.
Okra. Okra. Ginger. Ginger.
Bok choy. Bok choy.
Butternut squash. Butternut squash. Carrot.
Broccoli.
Tomato.
Cauliflower.
Bell pepper.
Onion.
Garlic. Cucumber.
Zucchini.
Mushrooms.
Eggplant.
Lettuce.
Asparagus.
Green beans.
Potato.
Sweet potato.
Radish.
Beetroot.
celery, artichoke,
leek,
Cabbage.
okra,
bok choy.
ginger.
butternut squash,
We are vegetables. Bye bye. See you next time.